This one's for Jeff. We're gonna show how we cut a gable end on a shingle roof. So if you shoot over here, we do 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, let them overhang. Take a shingle with the single ply side. So we're gonna keep this shingle 1/8 inch in from the starter that we have coming off the side. That way shingles aren't seen over the edge when you're looking up from the ground. Using the pitch hopper, we'll rest this shingle right on it so that as you're pulling down, your scribe shingle doesn't move. And here we go. So we got a perfectly straight cut. We can use some of these bigger pieces to fill in the ends. Anything small like this, we throw on the ground for labor to pick up.